So guys, we have our sample project on. For clipping mask, we can either use any shape or image. Let's use this one. Position the image properly. Move to the end of the video clip. Select the shape layer. Give it same length as the video clip. Move to the first frame. Tab and hold on the right side of the video layer. When you see the gray indicator, move the layer up. The shape layer should be the immediate bottom layer of the original footage. Now select the upper layer, then tab on the top right corner button. From here, select Create Clipping Mask. Now tab and hold on the left button of the layer. When it becomes green, select the shape layer. Now we can move it wherever we want. To remove clipping mask, just select the layer. Again, top right corner button, release clipping mask. That's all about clipping mask in Alight Motion. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.